If LibreOffice is failing to launch, crashing at startup, or randomly closing while you work, the problem may be caused by Soffice.Bin conflicting with your computer's graphics card drivers. The good news is that there's a simple fix you can try in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the LibreOffice Soffice.Bin error using safe mode, and I'll also show you how to make the change permanent if everything starts working properly. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Windows Start menu and search for LibreOffice Safe Mode. When you see it, open it. This is a special startup mode that helps you troubleshoot issues without loading the normal settings that may be causing the crash. Once the Safe Mode window opens, look for the Configure drop-down arrow and click it. A list of repair options will appear. From there, check the box that says Disable Hardware Acceleration, which may also appear as OpenGL or Skia. This setting tells LibreOffice to stop using the graphics features that can sometimes cause instability on certain systems. After selecting it, click Apply Changes and restart. LibreOffice will restart with the new setting applied. If the program now launches successfully and stops crashing, that's a strong sign the graphics acceleration setting was the issue. At that point, you can make the fix permanent by opening LibreOffice normally, then going to Tools, then Options, then LibreOffice, and then View. In the View settings, find the option that says Use Skia for all rendering and uncheck it. After that, click OK or Apply to save the change. This helps prevent the Soffice.Bin error from coming back the next time you open LibreOffice. If LibreOffice still has problems after this, you may need to update your graphics drivers, but in most cases, this safe mode fix solves the issue quickly. So just to recap, search for LibreOffice Safe Mode, open the Configure menu, disable hardware acceleration, and restart. Then, if everything works, turn off Skia in the View settings for a lasting fix. I hope this video helped you get LibreOffice running again without the Soffice.Bin crash. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple troubleshooting guide.